Our Animal Crossing New Horizons story. Look, we've arrived on our beautiful island. We name our island. I think I should call this island Yoga Land. Wow, look, we've changed into our Animal Crossing player. Let's dial the number, see if it works. Boop, 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 beep, boop, boop, beep, beep, boop, 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 beep. Hello? Is that Tom? Yeah, we were just checking the phone works. Yeah. OK, yeah. Love you. Bye. We bring our hands together at our hearts and we grow, 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 grow up nice and tall, pointing our toes and flexing them. This is going to be our fishing rod. Oh dear. Lifting our fishing rod up above our head, lean all the way back and cast it forwards into the river. Shoo! Tweet, 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 tweet. It's fun chatting to everyone else and learning all about how this lovely island works. We lean all the way forwards and we use our fingers to make a sprinkler, leaning all the way down to sprinkle and water those beautiful flowers. Now let's blow a big raspberry like Sahara the camel. Sahara the camel has some mysterious wallpaper to sell. Very interesting. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow.